In this video, we will be starting with the form builder. Okay, so what is a form builder? A form builder is a builder by which we can create amazing forms, and we can take responses from the customers and then provide them the better feedback. Okay, so form builders can be used for creating contact us forms, reservation forms, hiring forms, and different types of forms that we can think of. Okay, so now there are many plugins that we can use to create forms like contact form 7, or there are many. Okay, so but we will need the best form builder that will be easy for us to create and use the forms. Okay, so let's try to search forms. Now it will take some time and we will see some forms. Okay, you can see the first one is contact form 7 and second is Wpforms. Contact form 7 is easy, but it requires some skills to create forms and take responses. It is not that easy for creation. Also, it requires some skills to create forms. But if you see Wpforms, it is the best contact form plugin with drag and drop form builder. This is the best plugin for creating an amazing form. Also, just like Wpforms, we also have Ninja Forms. But the best plugin for creating a form, I choose Wpforms. So let's install this and try to create our contact us form. Okay. Okay. So the plugin has been installed. Let's try to find if we have that or not. Let's try to activate it. Once a plugin has been installed, we have to activate it so that it can be used. Okay, so this is Wpforms. Let's try to create our first form. Okay, let's try to create a blank form. Let's try to create from scratch. So this is the form builder. This is the blank form. Okay, so let's change the form name as contact us. Then next is to go in fields, and let's try to add some fields that we need. Okay, for example, the first field is the name. Okay, this is the first name. If you don't want, you can click on X button, that will try to delete it. Second, we will need the email address. Third, we will need some paragraphs like comments, and I think that's enough for anyone to contact. Okay, wait, we will need number. Number can be used for phone number or mobile number for contacting us easily. So these are the basic fields. Let's try to configure it. Number, let's change it to mobile number. And let's change it to comment. Okay, this is okay. So the star indicates the fields are required. Okay, so you can see this is not required, but let's keep this as required and let's remove this as we don't need it. Okay, so this is the name field, email, mobile number, and comment. These are the basic fields that are present in any of the contact form. So we can also change this submit into submit form. And also change this processing text like sending form and save it. Okay, so it will go to admin email and a confirmation message will be provided to them. So we can configure it like this. Thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. Thank you. Have a good day. Or we can do something like you can redirect also, and also we can show in a different, we can open a different page also once it's done. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to save it. Our first form has been created.